Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to making Khandvi in microwave. First take 1 cup gram flour, 2 cup buttermilk per mix it well. Second cup milk, buttermilk and mix it well. Half cup butter, turmeric, salt, now add 1 tablespoon oil, and mix it well. Now let's cook in microwave. Put ball in microwave. Select microwave mode. Select full power 900 watt and set time for 8 minutes. I am increasing time for 30 seconds. Now cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will stir it. After 2 minutes, open the door and mix it well. You can see there is no lumps. Now place it again in microwave and cook it again for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, again mix it well. Place ball in microwave and cook it again 2 minutes. And start. After again 2 minutes, open the door and mix it well. Take out ball. And start the microwave and cook it remaining last 2 minutes. Now batter is ready for khandvi. Now mix it well again. Now take a thal and grease it with refined oil. Now spread the batter on thal. नीचे कर पूरी प्लेट पे इस तरह पतला पतला से इसको फैला लेंगे। इस तरह से हम 3-4 प्लेट पर इसको स्प्रेड कर लेंगे। नाउ गार्निश विद कोकोनट। ग्रीन coriander leaves chopped. Now cool it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will cut it. After 10 minutes cut it. After 10 minutes cut it in 2 inches size. Now our khandvi is ready. Now let's make tempering for it. Take a borosil bowl and add refined oil. Add mustard seeds, curry leaves. I use dry curry leaves. Cook it for in microwave mode for 1 minute. Select microwave mode. Full power 900 volt. Select and set time for 1 minute. And start. Open the door. Now add half tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon water, and again start microwave mode full power. Select and set time for 1 minute and start. Take out bowl. Now add little lemon juice. Now our tempering is ready for Khandvi. Add tempering on Khandvi. Now garnish with coconut. You can also garnish with coriander, chopped coriander. Now Khandvi is ready in microwave. Thanks for watching.